with me. Fun and easy as can be. The luck goes round just like a treat.
Is it like a cookie that tastes so sweet?
A square has sides, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is it like a window, a box, or a door?
A triangle's pointy has 3 sides.
Is it like a yummy pizza slice?
A rectangle's long with short sides too. Is it like table or a card made for you? A star shines bright up in the sky. Is it like the twinkle in our eyes? A diamond shape, short and high. Is it like a kite that soars the sky?
Now you tell me.
An oval's round but stretched a bit.
Is it like an egg where baby chicks sit?
A heart means love, it's warm and kind.
Like hugs and kisses you always find.
Shapes are fun for you and me.
Look around, how many can you see?
Let's learn again.